rivers running through Hiroshima City. Miyajima, we have to take a ferry, about a 10-minute ride from Hatsukaiji City to the island, 10 minutes ride. And every 15 minutes, two companies operate the ferry. One is JR, Japanese Railway. Used to be JR, a sheik of the Mr. Anson. She was playing his dream. He woke up, he copied it, and he made a shamochi. And he taught the islanders to make the shamochi. That's how it started. So some people say this island is the birthplace of shamochi or rice paddle. Some are ready aside, some are
that's on Miyajima Island. That's the place we're going.
And some are ready
She's saying it's the must buy here.
When they go to this island, they don't buy shamochi for actual use. They buy it as a good charm. Because all the Chinese characters are written on a shamochi. Some shamochi says traffic safety, and some say good health. Some say happiness, or love, or easy delivery, or prosperity in business, or good luck, longevity, and so forth, or good health. So people buy shamochi as a good luck charm. That's a bump in the shape of a maple leaf, momichi bump in the shape of maple leaf. Behind the shrine, there is an inn, Iwaso, a Japanese hotel, Japanese inn. And Showa, the first prime minister in Japan.
This is the Japanese versions of our USA cars. That is Toyota
When he was there, one young girl,
4Runner, but in Japan, I wonder what it's called in Japan. And it's a right-hand drive in Japan, so the guy's driving on the right-hand side of the vehicle. That one is a Lexus. I'm thinking GS, but if you look at the front, the grill, not as radical though. The grill, not as radical as the US, and then they get a lot of the micro vans. Check them out, the micro van. Crazy, huh? That's, I don't know what the hell it is, but yeah, a lot of different cars. Yeah, that's a cute little, what the hell that is. But yeah, a lot of different things. That's a Mazda, I think a tree. Wow, look at this, what is that? Toyota something. It's insane, huh? Anyway, we still inside, Kansai, I don't know, maybe we gotta ride one boat. We just got off of the bullet train, and they had some bento lunch over there. It was really good. So these guys drive on the left, and then on the right, yeah. They're kind of like London, yeah, you gotta be careful because the traffic is bad. Yeah. 6 rivers in Japan,
not a good story, but when a
in Hiroshima,
was a drought, August 6, 8:15 in the morning, they don't know how many people passed away. The whole city was totally devastated. The whole city, they're going to count how many people. But from August 6 to the end of 1945, in 4 months, 140,000 people passed away. And 3 days later, the cyclone was trapped in Nagasaki. In the case of Nagasaki, 34,000 people. So in the 2 cities, over 200,000 people passed away. Of all the victims, 20% of people died of the injury caused by the atomic bomb. Around 60% of people, or the victims, were burned to death. And the rest of 20% of people died because they were exposed to radiation. They developed cancer, especially leukemia, or liver cancer, or breast cancer. So 20, 60, 40, 60% of people were burned to death. They wandered around the city, walking and looking for water. And when they came to river, they drank water from the river and they passed away. So all the rivers were filled with the bodies. Not good story though. People who were at the distance of
Wow, the 7-Eleven. Wow, Cherry. Look at that. The thing looks so super Japanese, yeah? I get so excited when I see that. That's my lifelong dream, man, to ride my dirt bike to one Japanese 7-Eleven. Oh, if I could ever do that, man, I'm ready for diet. Well, look at this gas station. Wow, that's freaky. It's so different from, yeah? Wow, Sakura. Sakura! Baby ones, yeah. The waterfall. The cedar. No, this is bamboo, I think. No? They have that cedar, the wonderful cedar. This is bamboo. The train station. And then the human beings. You remember them? Okay, anyway. Here we are. Wow, look at this. We're coming around. Look. We're coming around the mountain.
A river.
Yeah. Oh, I think ocean. Pacific.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. But that water is colder than our Pacific. Yeah, a little bit. But the fish a little bit different. What island are we going to now?
I don't know.
Okay. Alright, we got a response. Miyajima Island.
Miyajima.
Okay, Miyajima Island. Our tour guide said to get 2 things. What were those 2 things?
And the bun.
And
Manju.
Why the manju?
Why not?
Why not? Why the shamoji or the rice paddle? Why should we get the shamoji?
I was sleeping.
Alright, good answer. No, but
It's for good luck.
good luck. We got someone else that's actually thinking.
Was it sleeping?
Or that's where it was originally designed, they're saying, right? The
So
shamoji.
you can say many things. Like
Yes.
For your car, for your house.
Right, for your children when they're not listening.
Yeah.
Your wife, yeah, your husband, yeah, they don't listen. Shamoji, yeah, wahaya, wah. Small one. Okay. All right. Here you go. Thank you. Light paddling. Beautiful. So we're going to go to that island way out there, and that's Miyajima Island. And we're going to get a whole bunch of shots. We're going to be like the shamoji people of the craziest shamojis you ever did shamoji in your whole life. Alright. Love you. Aloha. Salamat. And mabuhay. You're Japanese, right? What? Hawaiian. Okay. How do you say goodbye? How would you say goodbye?
Adios.
Aloha. Very good. You get the best answers for everything. Alright, man. We're on the vessel. We're on the vessel now, bro. Alright. We are on the vessel. You know what you call? Wow, this is pretty cool. A little bit of a rainy day right here. Wow, we're coming back to the dock already. Check them out. It's neat. Ooh. Wow, get one right there. You see the target. Wow. That's pretty cool. Yeah, here we are. are in Japan. Landed last night. Well, I had a great rest, man. The bed was fantastic. It's beautiful, absolutely. And right now everybody's getting off of the vessel, I guess. We were sitting inside. It was a pleasant ride, you know. Outside is windy and rainy. And say, like right now, we'll wait a little while. After the crowds get out of the way, then we're gonna just march off of this boat. Bye, bye, bye. Sayonara. Genki, genki, yo. All the shops and the souvenir shops over there. So we're probably gonna spend about, I don't know, 2 hours over here, Ken said. They got all kinds of different street vendors and stuff. You can buy all kinds of Japanese streets and stuff. It's not really raining that hard. It's just a spring day in Japan here. Beautiful. Hello. Oh. You're awesome. Oh, this is the shamoshi. Right here. Shamoshi. Hi. Shamoshi, hi. Look, the Kokeshi doll. I'm coming. Well, just look at this. We are in Japan. Here I am. Oh, look at the different kinds of grinds. Yeah, well, Japanese matcha sweets. Alright. Here we are. Here we are on a full court press. Wow, look at this. Wow. Oh, ice cream. You gotta watch out over here because they're kind of violent with the umbrellas, I noticed, because it rains a lot here. It rains a lot here in Japan. I see one lady with whack Ken's umbrella, a hard one.
What?
Yeah, she had one pretty strong umbrella. She'd spin them and whack them. You can tell it was on purpose. I get them on video, I think. She'd spin them and whack them. Oh, wow. What is this? Like going Deer Cafe. 2 times you get effed up. Here. I guess. This one is the, what is that symbol you remember, Cindy? That senbei symbol. It's a traditional senbei symbol. Anywhere you see that, they sell mochi. Wow, pretty cool. Oh, the shamoji. I told you. Not rice battle. You're speaking like a foreigner.
I asked for it.
Wow, check this out. Wow, crazy. Look at the eel inside. You like the eel one? So tasty, soft, juicy. You want to try one?
Not right now.
You want to try one? Oh yeah, eel one. Oyster one. Don't eat it. We dropped it. Wow, look at this stuff, Cindy.
Wow.
No, on the left. You get something over there. Oh, with the oyster. Stick right them in a tank. Oh, this is pretty rainy. I'll see you guys later. A rather windy day today. Alright, the Torii Gate right there. Check it out.
Oh, video, this is the Torii Gate. One of many. Yeah.
We're up to the temple now.
Yes, they are.
With your right hand, grab the tip all the way to the cup, and let it roll down. Hello. Handle. You roll down the handle. You touched it, right? Yeah. So then you put it back down. Yes. Okay. What you're doing is you're cleansing your left hand. Cleansing your right hand.
Pick it up with your right. Pour a little bit in your left. Wash your hand. Now a little bit in the right. Wash your hand. You know, you gotta put your hand all the way to the top. All the way at the end. Oh. Supposed to grab all the way to the end.
You just let it go.
Okay.
Okay, you just follow the walkway all the way around.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Wow,
Wow. Oh, the thing is all the way up?
all the way up. So it looks like it's floating. Right now, so the tide is just so, yeah?
Yeah.
But it goes all the way up to the bottom of this floor. That's
Wow.
why, so, you know, after a while they get the repairs because the ocean water keeps coming in.
Right.
So we're higher up. So down there is low. So she says it raises 15 feet. So it's 12 to 15 feet. Yeah?
Wow.
All the way around, behind the temple, everything is all underwater. I mean, floating on water.
Wow.
So they always got to change the wood after that. So this one, you just take your time.
Well, I'll try to trip on this bridge, bro. This is obviously a replica, but one stood here long ago, in ancient times. Trip you all on that, bro. Unreal. Crazy. And then these are all fake wooden cedar pilings that they used to build this temple. The real ones had the real cedar. Oh wow.